everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing that I got from Fashion File. So this item, oh my gosh, I had this one on my cart for quite a while, and I don't know, for some reason I went to the store, I tried it on, and definitely I fell in love with it, and I saw it on Fashion File. In fact, it is on my favorites and it is already in my cart. Actually, I just left it there and I finally made up my mind, and this is exactly what I wanted for as an everyday bag, something that I could just wear like running errands. It's just like a quick to go bag though. So anyway, let me show you this beauty right here. So it came in with a Fashion File dust bag as usual. I don't know, for some reason they're not giving receipts anymore, but I don't think it matters, but I'm just saying that their packaging years ago is so much better than nowadays. So, are you guys ready? Okay, so this one, it came in with the Louis Vuitton dust bag. It is just the Fashion File. And to reveal, oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Wow. Isn't she beautiful? Oh, wow. Wow. So this is a Louis Vuitton mini soft trunk. And I was at the store a month ago and I was looking at the side trunk, which has like similar look to it, and for some reason, I love to use it as a top handle. I think it looks perfectly fine, and also I just find it a little bit strange wearing it as a crossbody. And I was thinking, if the side trunk could have been a little bit smaller, it would be perfect. So I saw this at the store and I tried it on, and wow, I love it. I love the look of it, and especially the size. So since I've been eyeing on this one on the Fashion File website, and boom, this is exactly what I wanted for New Year. So this is the mini version of a soft trunk. As you guys can see right here, it has this boxy shape right here on the side, the front, and this corner, and also the back as well. It has the boxy shape. And another thing that what really want me to add this in the collection, it's because of this, as you guys can see, the rivets right here in the corners. See the rivets that reinforce right here in the corners. So there were like rivets all around the corner. This actually, it seems to look like it does mimic the look of the trunk. I really love the look on that. And on top of that, there is the detail of it. As you guys could see, there is a monogram flowers right here. Wow, those are absolutely beautiful. But since this is pre-owned, pre-loved, it's expected that you will be seeing some wear from it. So this rivets all around the corners is actually made up of this it is a brass hardware, because I'm actually seeing it right here. It's brass hardware, but it seems to look like it has been coated, the finish on this matte black color. So I'm not really sure. At first I was a little bit skeptical with that look, because I know this one is brass and they just coated it with black matte coating, and yeah, as you guys can see right there, it started to deteriorate. It does seem to look like the coating started to diminished tremendously around the corner. But then again, it is pre-love, it is expected. As long as it functions well, definitely, as long as it serves its purpose, and it's all that matters. And also, there is a lot of things that I looked on this pieces, especially with the leather. It is made up of a Tyrolean leather, really soft, very supple, and that is just the nature of the leather itself. Wow, it is very, very soft. It is very supple right here. Wow, very, very nice. I totally, totally love the leather. And wow, look at that. It's so gorgeous. So anyway, right here in front, we have a zip pocket. So the chain right here is actually connected from the zipper pull tab right here towards the chain strap right here on the D-ring. And it's made up of the plastic chain. And looking at it right now, it seems that the chain seems to look like it's made up of a high quality plastic. It is plastic though. Okay, so there is a pocket right here in front. And this one also has a zip closure right here, and this is the main compartment inside. Okay, we have some stuffing right here, and it opens like this. Wow, very soft. Wow, very nice. And there is a slip pocket right here at the back. There is a made in stamping right there. This one is made in France. And yeah, there is only one slip pocket right here inside, and the lining is actually made up of the textile lining. I don't know what sort of fabric this is, but the fabric seems to feel like it is a very thick material, which is in black. It has some sheen to it though. Very nice. I prefer the fabric over a microfiber lining for some reason. I mean, the fabric is so easy to wipe. However, the microfiber, it's so hard. I'm having such a hard time dealing with the microfiber, especially cleaning, blotting those dirt and marks in it. I always have problems with that. But with the textile, with the fabric, it is just so easy to wipe, and it would still stay in the perfect condition or shape. So this is how it looks inside. And the pull tab right here, it is actually, yeah, this is how it looks. And as you guys can see right here, the plating around with the matte finish hardware, it's like, yeah, it's coming off, but it is very, very smooth. Wow, totally love that. And also, the strap is not removable, but this strap, you could adjust it. So I'm not sure if that is a deal breaker though, because I also like, I mean, I could wear this as a clutch. However, yeah, but I'm looking for a crossbody specifically. So I think this one is perfect. So all you have to do is if you wanted to adjust it, is just take this one off, and then put this hook right here in one of those chains, and then you could put it back just like that. So you could adjust it through here, and on the other side it is not removable. So that's how I was thinking of adjusting it. Okay, so it is a combination of plastic once again and this cowhide leather right here. The cowhide leather is very thick and it's really soft. And looking at it right now, it's my main concern buying a pre-loved item is that the wear. So looking at it right now, it looks very shiny. Wow, that really impressed me. And I don't see any issues with the glazing. But then again, there might be some hairline scratches. I care less for the hairline scratches. That's because that's just part of the wear and tear. And I think that this one is actually made up of the plastic chain right here. It's made up of a really high quality plastic. Because look at that. I didn't see any chipping at all, like right now. I didn't see any sort of fading. However, the rivets right here, the corner, it's really bad right there. But I think it just gives it a little bit of a look of a character of the bag with those marks right there, the scuff and everything. I think so. I was thinking how would this bag looks with just the gold brass hardware, but with the black leather and the black hardware, I think it looks phenomenal though. That was just my thought. Wow, absolutely beautiful. Wow, the debossing on the Turilon leather looks so luxurious. Looks very rich. Wow, very soft. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I was like totally mesmerized with the beautiful, beautiful leather. Wow. I really love how compact this is. And I was thinking, okay, as long as my phone fits in here, I have a plus phone. This is an iPhone and it fits perfectly inside. I could put my wallet and my keys and it is going to be perfect. I have a full-size wallet in here and I'm not sure this one would fit. Yeah, it wouldn't. It would not fit because this is the size comparison on my full-size wallet. But yeah, I did not buy this to use my full-size wallet. So I think this one is perfect. Oh my gosh, I still can't get over with how beautiful the leather is. And I have a capucines. I also love a capucine leather, the capucines with a Turilon leather. And pretty much like, I think this is a good buy. And I paid almost $2,000 for this. And it is actually priced as $4,450 US dollars on the Louis Vuitton website. So this is the mini soft trunk. They also have a larger version in it. It is quite large though. And also this one came in with the Eclipse canvas as well. So I'm not too crazy about that. I am after for the Turilon leather. Like really, I am after for the leather. Wow, it looks so luxurious. Oh my gosh, the detail of it is absolutely perfect. Yeah, the bottom part, as you guys can see, the rivets right there, they're looking fine. I mean, this one, when you buy this one brand new, they're all like matte black hardware. So right now, it's fading. And that's just normal. And it does seem to look like this rivets right here that reinforce towards both corners. It actually helps this leather part right here to touch the surface. And right now, not to touch the surface, right now I didn't see any wear at all on the leather, and that's all that matters. And the piping, it seems to look like the piping is made up of cowhide leather. They are very shiny. So it's just more likely the rivets. I don't know what would be if Louis Vuitton would fix that. I'm not really sure about it, but I don't think I'm gonna fix those because it's just looks so beautiful as it is. Wow. So yeah, anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.